Hey guys, I bet you want to know how to make that an amazing scene. So, I am here to show you how. Hold up. Just had to light them up real quick. So, let's show you how you can make a static paratroop line. Okay, so you can see we're just gonna go bam and delete. So I'm on this. Good, I don't really know what this map is called. It's World War II. Now this works on any map, so it doesn't really need to be this, so to say. So, how do you actually set this up? Now, let's come just here. No, it's down. Yes. We're gonna do German. This works with any plane, any unit, so if you wanted a modern version, go right ahead. But we're just gonna do World War One, just World War Two. So, first off, get your plane that you so desire, with obviously transport. And then when you first spawn it in, you're gonna see a little red circle over the pilot. Now, if you started, you're gonna be flying, so to say. Trying to get an angle. But we don't want that. You want it to be one of these people. So, double click or right click on the driver and click player, so it's unmarked. Probably a bit hard to see, but there you go. Now it is completely AI driven here. Now for the sake of the video, we're just gonna do, I don't know, let's just go bam, him. That's gonna be our paratroop, guys. Sorry, I have a drink of that got stuck in my right. I have a drink and it's dry for some reason. Really weird, but okay. So I'm just gonna get on with it. You want to right click on the character that you've chosen. You can either do Ace. If you don't have Ace, you can come down and do Virtual Arsenal. I'm just going to do Ace because it's quicker for me. Now don't mind all the mods I have. I was showing someone my favorite mods. So when you're here, you just want to scroll down till you find S, and then go to the bottom of S, and it should be steerable parachute. It should look like that. Hit apply, and then it should come up. Then you want to click Control C, then Control V, then just pretty much spam it. Drag them in. Okay, we need some more guys. That should be oodles. And now, if you remove him, don't worry about that clipping. We're gonna fix that in a second. We're just gonna do Flight Master just so it's easy. Jump Master. And now you want to come here and see all these chairs. That's the people sitting down. So you just want to hover over the first chair and hit delete. The one above delete, the del, delete. And now if you look, everyone is standing, which is how they're meant to. And there you go, first part is done, and now it's just getting the bird in the sky. Don't mind these people, they're not meant to be here. You just want to grab by left clicking and holding Q, which will bring your plane up. Now let's say you want to fly over this bridge and paratroop on it, because that would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? So let's move it. Now if you don't know what I did there, you basically, if you need help, if you look down the bottom right, you have a little help menu. But basically hold shift and left click while hold, and then you can drag. So let's just face it that way. Now, if you sorry, I haven't done a video in ages. You want to drag so your green engulfs the whole plane, because that means you're also getting the people inside. So then you want to come over to where you want it to. Now you can have more markers, so it's like go here, there, paratroop, come back over here. But for now, we're just going to do static paratrooping. No advanced movements. Now if you see, the line's going crooked. Won't the plane just go bang? Well, to tell you frankly, no it won't. We're just going to move this over a bit. Now if you highlight all, if your plane's, as you can see, my plane isn't quite doing it, you can just direct it to it. This will give the plane oodle time to get to the right height. What is that? So once that's done, you just want to get all of it, or you can go there, right click, make sure you right click, don't double tap on this one, or it'll only choose one person. Then go to, I call it options, you can call it as it is. And now for this one, you will need iron font enabled. If you don't know what iron font is, it's a really good mod. It's basically World War II stuff. Then you want to click the little arrow, and it should have static line power drop. Click on that, and there you go. And now if you want to do some, let's say you've done all that, okay, you just want to go bing bing. You don't have to do this, I am just going to do it for the purpose of the video. And then let's say bring it over here. If you want a full in-depth video on markings, how to get AI to do certain things, I can just comment down below and I'll tell you practically everything I know. Now where are we power dropping? We are power dropping here. Okay. So there's, yeah, don't mind that, that's Starship Trooper loading screen. I wish mods wouldn't put loading screens, they're quite annoying, but what can you do? So now as we load in, it shouldn't take that long. Now see you, we're about to go. But yeah, if you want any video on telling you how to do certain stuff, I'm happy to do it. Like, I work a lot with the editor, because I normally play offline, because offline's better. Ow. So if you watch, I'm gonna go third person so you can see. Oh, I've just TP'd back. So if you look back, okay, you can see there. Let me try and get my camera to the right thing. You have a bunch of paratroopers. Ooh, what happened? Oh, I hit a tree. That killed me. Don't worry, that won't happen unless you do what I do and hit a tree. So now you can simply just go like Control C on the plane, and if you paste it, if you, where is it, come over to it, you will notice that it's already done for you. So if you just go, wait, no, I'm gonna have to go. Damn it, and it was all of them. So you can go bang, bang. Like, it's not hard once you've done it the first time. And just go static. And now if we come over, fun of raiding. And let's say, well, I can't be bothered to find. Let's just go bang. Now if you know, damn it, that wasn't meant to happen. Okay. Now if you know ARMA and you've done a bit with AI, you would know that this would be kind of a no-no, because the plane would simply just fly away because of an enemy. But I haven't really tried this. I'm just doing it so you can see on the ground level, and because I want to shoot at them. Because I'll show you another thing when you shoot at them. It makes a cool effect, in my opinion. Come on. Now let's see if we can see them. Uh-oh, I'm gonna miss him. There we go. So if you shoot at one, oh wow, that did not work as I thought it would. There we go. And yes, they're very fun to shoot. Oh, look at this perfect angle. What? I'm not this bad. It's just this anti-air with this mod is pretty. When you conflict mods together, it goes really wacky. Okay, but oh, when I shoot this down, what the hell? I'm not this bad, I swear. Yeah, what I was saying, when you conflict different mods, like let's say I have a mod with World War 2 units and normal armor things, because they have their things set up differently. I got it. Yeah, so when they run out of waypoints, they'll just circle. I wonder where the power drop. They're too far away to be bothered. Oh, what's this? We're gonna see it. Yeah, when the ship goes down, they'll power drop. Yep, so you can see the two smokestacks of the planes. So that was it. That's how you do a power drop. That was me, and well, I guess that's goodbye. See ya.